for Memamuni Akwaba Eba Melodies TV. Now, still on the trending issue of the Honorable Minister of National Security, Honorable Albert Kandapano. NDC for finally, Yebeka say NDC MPB akasa fa ho. Na ansa na mede na dwenche ebe bra no subscribe na click the notification bell no so wo yende sa latest news bi aba won sa ebeka. Se won share ya mede insema Kennedy Japan o kan fa this particular matter ho ebreo. Na utie insema Kennedy Japan e kan ya se na obube. Kennedy Japan said two things. Ono kran no watwe madwen ekosi two different things. So first thing Kennedy Japan kan say NPP for mo share assembly ase and mo share nkrofo ase egu nkrofo enimu ase just because of your own political gains no munjai na say NPP for bi yankasa wo ho a wo mo watan ema NPP for bi enti no wo mo ehya ase expose those NPP people. That's the first thing Kennedy Japan said. And secondly waka say most queens amaba amonso politicians ni penyufo afamo say wo mo hwe mo so amodidi echie ana mo hihye tre record omo blackmail omo no mo nso munya de munja nti Kennedy Japan said two things here say wo dwen very faster ebema wa dwen aba so first de na wo kan ene say ebetumi aba say wo ba no wo release video na no record honorable minister release video no ebia MPP ni foforo bi ene bo ne pa. Secondly ebetumi aba say obana nkasa na wo pese wo de blackmail minister no na wo pesika kese bi efi minister no ho e na minister na nya man na wa hye de release video no ebetumi aba ne sa. Now the honorable MP for Ningo Pram I friend honorable Sam George me Jesus amuni amunim ne di ankasa Sam Jata George na Sam George eden nsem bi aba betudwa na nsem na wo ka ne me read actual brofo na the tenten ne tietie mu an se wono de MPP fo bi ankasa ene share that set Albert Kandapa up because they want him gone. Just say yem pese wo beda ni minister and nti no mo share that setting the apps ano. Now me read intro was it statecraft on display. Set a man up, play coy, orchestrate calls for his resignation and pressure him to resign. The opening line I was trying no was it statecraft. Not just say hey wait there idea ya plan the plan just nkrofo bia wo mo aban mu e na wo mo plan the plan hey say wo be set papa bi up na wo gina echi hwe na wa hyeda ya wa dwen say wo ma nkrofo free for the resignation because and there me no ka say I've heard from a lot of security experts on this particular issue. Now what all of them are saying and they say papa no there e was say wo resign say na me dey kan tell no Kwame A+ okay, free or just a lot of people are saying say wait dear it won't say bia nothing sexual went on obi beka so wait there nipa boni bi nsi but obviously o yere o mba e na bibi say AC intino e was so yeden or resign it intino dia Sam George kan and say MPP fo bi na share that year way Sana Ghana for ever call for the resignation of this man. And today it is true. Say Ghana for air call for the resignation of the honorable minister. I'm not saying said there's Sam George I'm not saying that no. But I'm just bringing you the views of some top people who are very vocal when it comes to issues in this country. Now the second thing I was say, just so you bring the greater evil of the two to control our national security, we live in a dangerous times as a nation. I say just so you bring the greater evil of the two to control our national security, we live in a dangerous times as a nation. Was say the entire woman ye we say woman person woman yin fi ho. Now woman they will be foforo. Ebetina sa national security ho. Na sa ni pakro no wan boni dey Sam George and boni pakro ni dey. I don't know whether Sam George has information as to only cry one more person will be the national security minister, but one boni bakuni din, one bo obiadin. The okanya and say in quote greater evil. Not to say will be our non so or yeden what tay papa. I see greater evil of the two. It means say what person or can say you go for will be our tay papa ya was also a tay NDC fools a day because he didn't mention the parties involved. brofo and okan was say greater evil, just so you bring the greater evil of the two. Into the NPP for and say womu gu papa we ni mu ase na womu amana resign just because womu pese womu di obi a wonu no yenka say ni chimu odin a what time papa yi esanso time another person bi ana a time another ko bi. Now we live in a very dangerous times as a nation. Now and so how we no sanso edit also say wicked, very very wicked people run affairs of state. Was it ende Ghana womo aban mu no etimodinfo just say etimodinfo to the extent say womo ngasa womo nipa kra no womo ye ni say na imagine say eye ne kre just like Abia what Kennedy Japan suggested and I just like what Honorable Sam George so kana imagine say eye ne kre say MPP fo bi na share assembly and ajewe ase na that say mo NDC fo de mo ye share kra nka mo ayere mu because on any party member MPP ni kra he de ode ye no na wo NDC ni ena wo de masa wa yirem nyende no we no sanso editor also say no one is safe from the cabal, not even one of their own. What say adie we a cabal things are ekoso na wo bi aniwa wa safe from this cabal, not even one of their own. That is wo mo nkasa wo mu nipa kra no wo mo de beye no eno ni ade Sam George Ekan was say pray and stay woke always. #dog bite dog. Not to say and that there kramai aka kramai. Now what can say we know a lot of people came to comment on this. Now me person me read the comment na yehwe say ngofo can say asama Sam George can na eye ne kre anasa nya ne kre. The first question will be bisan and say this one too you want to do politics with it. Oh, shaking my head. And only asama will be catching Sam George say hey Sam George sorry Honorable Sam George Sebe assembly so obesa the politics me wusumiti and Sam George can say no I am eating fufu and live soup with it. If I go to say the politics I know say that be me di fufu ni live soup and then you asema okay and then the person so reply and say you can do better than this, shaking my head and then you asema if I can and obi sound so I think will be or no NPP ni or no better say national security should invite you to explain what you know. Irresponsibility into NPP ni be ele better and same way eto Sam George the post no na say we Sam George will post it to Facebook. What you say or my friend they will Facebook inti we post it na me hu ya na me imagine say was me de bramo. Now we be the comment was say national security should invite you to explain what you know. Irresponsibility. Not just say national security for womuntu nsa enfre Sam George na womun bisano na ni baba waka national security for ntu nsa enfre Sam George. I think this is I don't know but national security boss na women kata he enungwase ayede egu no now common floor member one national security to say we be there same way chima oko invite obi a we know the world passing the comment on this. I mean this is just funny. At I said and as Sam George replied the Baku and as Sam George said I would be at the public account sitting on the second floor of the new administration building in Parliament tomorrow from 10 a.m. Accompany them and come. Why? I'll be waiting for you and any equally foolish goon who accompanies you. Not just say Sam George Ekate ne Baku where he say Ochena ahase na mewo. National security force wo mo pemia wo abrante na wo trust and say we no di omochi na di omonim na bra na mombra embe arrest me na nkwasi asema mudi ewo man we mu no ebe funu mo ena wo bi esanso reply sa nipa ko na ka national security for embe fa Sam George no obi reply sa nipa ko na ka say invite him to explain what you know rather abi remember the evil that men do live before them not after them anymore and then asema worker na obi nso say ayeka obi nso say conspiracy theories. Thank you. Why? And only asema will be so eka. Intino and Charlie, people are speaking a lot too. A lot of people are saying things on this, but Obinso Ebetro BB. I think this person is also I don't know whether this person belongs to MPP, but Obinso Ebetro assembling team or some me ready. Edichem was say you seem to be defending a man who is the head of an institution that gave National Security Council shirts and vests to MPPs, invisible forces to assault you. As far as you are concerned, you are not given a fair trial in that matter, and you said testimonies by Mohammed Suleimana and DSP Azugu were fabricated. I was expecting you to be happy. At least God is giving you justice, because the man who gave the MPP boys security uniforms to attack you is in trouble. But if a president has to orchestrate this plan to thank a man who gave security uniforms to party foot soldiers to impersonate national security personnel to attack member of parliament in just one by-election, when he has a national election coming up, then this president is really difficult to impress. The Nipakuwe ever thrown na Samokaya very, very early, around a year ago, and the na aircoso ewa Ghana na the na yen na ye kan wansem ewa Ghana pa ayawa so west wagon by elections yen ya ye hu ye ana yen ya ye te senior ye Sam George basa no. The nipa we ever thrown say Sam George who poster who making ya no na yesusu say na nka wo beba abonten aba bebo minister ni mu wechi, because minister no ena sebe wo ma MPP fo bi entire ena wo mo ba ebe attack wo a year ago na ndese minister no asema ba adan na wo nko abonten enko jubilate say minister no a year ago say no de year me a year ono nso nungase ato ni adan na wo nko enko yesa eno ne asema ne bako we ebisa Sam George say akwa say o statement will make who defend the minister ni mum and Sam George reply ne bako no ka say comprehension is not easy. I say comprehension is not an easy thing. Which part of my post shows me defending Kandapa, or is it the Hamatan? It just say Sam George ka e catch ni bako no say masa I don't know me try no me sure say wo onti asema say post am try no we who say me defending Kandapa and na Hamatan no say be abafa o triminti just say Sam George so a true shade at the person. But me person mu nya mo try mo adwen e wo comment box mo tie for me da say